wait a minute, is this for your hair? Apply a quarter size amount on towel dry. This isn't for your body. This is for your hair. Oh my God. Because I was like, this is pretty sticky. That's why, Miss Paytas, Trisha Paytas, you need to have a card in your box. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments how your day is going. Mine is doing great because I got a few boxes in, a couple new subscriptions, and I'm so excited, especially for this one. But make sure that you are subscribed because I do have a few giveaways going on. And make sure you turn that bell on because I have a few giveaways coming up. I have about 4 or 5 more this summer. And like this video because it really helps me out. But without further ado, I'm so excited. I have the Glitterb subscription. It's a little hard to see because of the packaging. But if you don't know what this is, so this is curated by Trisha Paytas. I will leave her picture right here. She is like the OG of YouTubers. And back in the day, like 2011, 2012, she used to do like unboxings like Ipsy and stuff like that. The Beauty Box 5, who remembers that back in the day? And so when she came out with her own subscription box, I was like, yes, please. So this is $59. This is a bi-monthly subscription. And she did do an unboxing on her channel of what everybody will receive. So I did watch that. So I pretty much know what is in here. I haven't opened this up. But like I said, I pretty much know what is going to be in here. It does come with like an outer packaging. So it doesn't come with this. I just took it off because it had my address in it. So let's just get started. All right, I finally got my table together because if you're not new to my channel, you know that I have everything set up on this table, and so it used to shake. So I'm going to put it right here so we don't have anything shakiness. Oh, well, let me show you. So when you open it up, there is Miss Paytas right there. And then that's what it looks like right there. Everything is like silver and like holographic, I guess you would say. All right, so let me take this off. All right, so when you open the paper up, then this is pretty heavy too, like really heavy. That's what it looks like right there when you open her up. And then you have this thank you card, and it has her picture right there. So this just says, thank you, your support means the world to me, and I hope you enjoy your very first Glitterb box. XOXO Trisha. So if I didn't tell you already, this is the very first box. All right, I don't know if there's a card in here that tells you what everything is because I don't see a card like that has prices or anything. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see. And we have this pocketbook right here, this handbag right there. It's really, really pretty. So that's what it looks like right there. Let's see. So when you open this up, you can take this out, which this says Glitterb right there. So if you want to put like, and then you have like a belt right here so you can put it on here if you just want to carry this. But this is good because you see how this is like all clear, and this is good for like when you're traveling in the airport and stuff like that. But if you have some personal things like women, we know, like, you know, our time of the month, we want put something in here or whatever it is that you don't want people to see, you can kind of do that. So you can either have it like this, put this in here, or you can put the belt right here as well, right there. And instead of carrying it like this, you know, you can carry it like a pocketbook. So that's the first thing. So I was really excited when I seen this was going to be in here. But like I said, there are no prices for anything, so I don't know. Okay, so then we have this. I think this was a passport, if I can remember. All right, so this is really pretty. So this is like all nice and glittery. It has the Glitterb logo right there. And then, so I thought maybe it was Velcro, but no, it's just kind of stuck. So when you open it up, there you go. You could put like your cards in here, like your credit cards, something in there. You can put like your money in there or anything. or your passport. You put your passport there and the top hanging down. You can use anything. So if you don't travel, like I don't really travel, so I would just use this, you know, as a kind of like a wallet. So this is really pretty, and it's very like smooth, you know, no glitter or anything will pop off. All right, the next thing we got is this Body and Bounce Silky Styling Glaze. This is by Nick Chavez, Beverly Hills, right here. So let's see, let's put some on. All right, so it looks like that. I'm putting it on right here. It doesn't really have a scent. I don't know, is this like, wait a minute, is this for your hair? Apply a quarter size amount on towel dry. This isn't for your body. This is for your hair! Oh my God, because I was like, this is pretty sticky. That's why, Miss Paytas, Trisha Paytas, you need to have a card in your box so people like me know what this stuff is. All right, so I need, where is my hand sanitizer? Because my hands are sticky. Okay. Let's get this off. I'm gonna have to wash up after this video. All right, so you have this hair gel, not body gel. All right, moving on. Then we have this glitter here for your eyes. This is like big chunky glitter. This right here would probably be like the glue, the glitter glue. I'm not gonna open this. I'll definitely put this in a giveaway because I don't really go for glitter, especially this big glitter right here like that. But it's really pretty, so there we go. Then I was excited for this. This kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Glow Job. This is Give Yourself a Glow Mask, a 24 karat tiara, Cover Kako London Glow Mask. So the package is a little beat up, but it's all right. It's all what's inside. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. And right there. All right, so let's see. So it comes with a little spoon, and then you would just take this off. So there's a little spoon where you can just, you know, go dig in there. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, okay. So that's what it looks like. Now, here's my thing. When it comes to skincare, I don't like having glitter or anything like that. This is more for like nostalgic things, you know, like it's cute and fun, you know, with your girlfriends, or you have younger kids, you know, when you want to like mask together, you know, it's cute, you know, but I think, I mean, they're not real like small, they're bigger pieces, but I think like glitter or anything like that can go into your pores, and it's just not good. I wish they wouldn't put stuff like this in masks, but it's cute. It's something like when I do a live stream, I might put this on, you know, it's something cutesy, you know, but as far as it working, I don't see it working. But, you know, it's called a Glitter Bitch box, so, you know, it fits the box. All right. Then we have, okay, here is, what the heck is this? All right, there's a lot of like these thingies in there. All right, so then we have a Jade Roller, which I do love these. Now, I don't use it like, you know, how you're supposed to do it. What I use this for is like when I do my skin mask. And what I do is, my sheet mask, not my skin mask, my sheet mask, I kind of like use this smaller part for my eyes. And I feel like when I roll it in, more of the serum will go into your skin more, and then I use the big piece and kind of go like this, you know what I mean? And it seems to really work. That I love these things for that. And this is a pretty good weighted one. This is really nice actually, and it's pink, so you know. All right, so then we have this. So this is a card here for the Glitter Bitch Popcorn Maker. It gives you instructions. So there's the card right there. And then here are the instructions. And so you have a bowl. Okay, here is the bowl to put your popcorn in. So let's open this up. Well, let's see how you're supposed to open it. Okay. Reminds me of them dog bowls, like the disposable, like not disposable, but like when you want to take it in your car and you can like close it and open it. All right. So this must be the lid. Okay, I see what it is. So here is this. It's like silicone, and then this would be the lid that you put on top. So then you have, here you go, is the popcorn. And then after the popcorn is made, this is the glitter that you're supposed to put on it. And it's supposed to be edible, you know. Let's see what it says. It says, pop up the Glitter Bitch popcorn maker and remove the lid. Boom. Okay, so we did that. Drop the popcorn kernels into the maker. 1/4 cup, 3 tablespoons. Okay. Bring the heat, pop the popcorn. Okay, 2 to 2, 3. Grab the maker by the ears. Right here. Let's see. Remove the lid and spray on a little oil on top, then sprinkle the sweet magic dust on top of for your liking. And get on your cozy couch and all that kind of stuff. So you just put it in there, pop it, put a little oil, you know, so that it can stick the glitter. And you know, you can reuse this. All right, so let's recap. Is that everything in there? All right, so we have the bowl, the reusable bowl. We have the like glitter that you put on there. It does come with the popcorn. We have this Jade Roller, which is really nice. We have the skincare, which like I said, just for me, I don't think it would do anything for the skin, but it's something cutesy, you know. Then we have this big chunky glitter, which a lot of people will, when they're like artsy, you know, or if you want to go to a festival or wherever, you can like put it on your body, on your eyes, anywhere. It's just, you know, I'm in my 40s, so to me, it's, you know, I would give this to my daughter who will be 19 next month. And then we have, you can, like a passport, or if you don't go traveling, like I said, you can use it for a wallet. And then we have this, which is really pretty, the belt fell. So we have that. And then we have the hair gel, not the body. I thought this was like the body shimmer stuff because I'm thinking glitter, and I don't know what I was thinking. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this box? Let me know all the tea. I'm gonna go wash my arms off because I have a few more videos to film, so let me know what you think of this box. Make sure you like this video, it really helps me out. Make sure that you subscribe if you like this type of video. And yeah, let me know what you think of this box, how your day is. All right, I'm getting off of here because I'm starting to babble. Make sure you turn that bell on so you know when I am going to upload other videos because I have my Hank and Henry box. So turn that bell on so you know when I upload that video. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.